Hello everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. I am Shailaja Dhumar. So children, today we are going to learn one new content which is very interesting, and the content is from literacy skill book. So take your literacy skill book. I'll just wait for a minute. Settle with your literacy skill book. Yes, and come to page number 5555. Yes. Now children, today we are going to learn one new content. The name of content is this and that. Okay, जो हम आज का जो हमारा new content है, the name of our new content is this and that. Now when we use this and that word, okay, children, basically this and that, these are the sight words. Okay, this and that, these are the sight words, and we use this in a singular form. Okay, so हमेशा whenever you are using this and that time you have to use is. Okay, is जो word है, is जो verb है, that you have to use. Okay, so we use this for a person or anything. It is near to us. When it is near to us, whichever the thing or any person which is near to us, that time we use this word. Okay, and same way, a person or anything which is far from us, that time we use THAT, that word. Okay, हम लोग this कब यूज करते हैं? कोई इंसान, एक आध इंसान, कोई चीज अगर आपके पास है, उस पर्टिकुलरली चीज को आपको पॉइंट आउट करके बोलना है, या फिर उसी चीज के बारे में, उसी इंसान के बारे में आपको बोलना है, तब आपको THAT, that, ये साइट वर्ड यूज करना है. ओके, और सिमिलरली वो इंसान या फिर कोई चीज आपसे बहुत दूर है, विच इज फार फ्रॉम अस, far from you, that time we are going to use THAT, that word. Okay, so these both, this and that, these both words are in a singular form. Okay, we are going to use in a singular form. Also with these words is इस verb को हमें use करना है. Okay, see children, this हम लोग कब use करते हैं? कोई चीज या फिर किसी इंसान के बारे में जो आपके पास है, उनके बारे में आपको बोलना है, तब आपको this यूज करना है. वही अगर कोई इंसान या फिर कोई चीज आपसे बहुत दूर है, ओके, तब आपको that यूज करना है. ओके, सो वी यूज this for a thing or a person near to us. Those examples are, look at to the board. So we'll see some examples. Okay, but keep one thing, remember, हमेशा this and that के साथ is जाएगा. Okay, now what I have done here, I have written some examples. Okay, अगर आप देख रहे हो तो ये examples सभी बहुत पास में है. Okay, so this is an umbrella. I am talking about this umbrella which is near to us. Okay, I am talking about one umbrella which is near to us, जो हमारे पास है umbrella. तो मैं क्या बोलूँगी? This is an umbrella. If you will see, we are using is over here, and why we have used an? Because this is a vowel. Yes, A-E-I-O-U. The sound is vowel. So before vowel, what we are going to use? An article, right? So this is an umbrella. Umbrella is near to us, so we will say this is an umbrella. Next, this is a pencil. This is a pencil. Okay, suppose in my hand one pencil is there. Okay, suppose in my hand one pencil is there, then what I will say? This is a pencil. Now this is a pen, but I am just giving you one example. This is a pencil. Pencil हमारे हाथ में है, हमारे पास में है. Then how we are going to say it? This is a pencil. Next, this is a flower. Flower हमारे पास है, उसके बारे में हमें बोलना है. एक ही flower है, हाँ? All the things are in one only, in a number of one only. So this will come in singular form. As I told you, this and that we use as an singular form. ये जो word है this and that, this sides words we use in a singular form. But उसके साथ कौन सा verb जाएगा? is, is, ये helping verb जाएगा. Okay, so this is a flower. Now children, what is this? What is this? This is a cake. What is this? This is a cake. Cake is near to us. Okay, हमारे पास है cake. So this is a cake. Okay. Next, last sentence. This is a mug. Okay, mug is near to us. So this is a mug. Okay. This is a mug. Children, if you will see, these all the objects are in one numbers. Okay, ये सभी object जो है सिर्फ एक एक ही है. Okay. Second thing, it is near to us. These all the object, it is near to us. हमारे पास है. Also, this is an umbrella. Why we are using this? Because it is near to us and it is in singular form. One ही है ना, वो जो चीजें हैं ये एक ही है ना, एक एक ही है. ज्यादा है क्या? हमारे दूर, हमसे दूर है क्या? No. These all the objects in one number of in a quantity. These all the objects one are there and it is near to us. So we'll say this is an umbrella. This is a pencil. This is a flower. This is a cake. This is a mug. Okay. Now same way we are going to learn about THAT, that sight word. Okay. Now children, when we use that sight word, the person or anything which is far from us, that time we use that word. Now example, I am here. Okay. और मेरे दूर वहां पर चेयर है, मुझसे बहुत दूर है वो चेयर. ओके, तो मैं क्या बोलूंगी? That is a chair. ओके, मुझसे दूर है ना वो चीज, सो मैं बोलूंगी that is a chair. ओके, सिमिलरली अगेन इफ विल सी, वो जो केक हमने अभी देखा किसी टेबल के ऊपर अगर हमने रखा हो, ओके, तब मैं क्या बोलूंगी? That is a cake. ओके, तब मैं क्या बोलूंगी? That is a cake. Now same way, अम्ब्रेला जो है मुझसे पास है, मुझसे पास नहीं है. It is far from us, or it is from umbrella is far from us. That time what we are going to say? That is an umbrella. We are talking about particular that thing, right? When we are going to use that, THAT, that word, the person or anything which is far from us, that time what we are going to use? THAT, that word. Okay, so that umbrella is near or far to me? Far. So we are going to use that. That is an umbrella. That is a pencil. Suppose pencil वहाँ पे किसी टेबल के ऊपर है. It is on the table. Okay, and if I want to point out the pencil, if I want to talk about only pencil, so what I am going to say? That is a pencil. Okay. Next, flower. That is a flower. फिर वो flower कहाँ पे भी रहने दो. Okay. Next, cake. केक टेबल के ऊपर रखा हो, anywhere. That is a cake. That is a mug. ओके, चीजें हमारे पास नहीं है, हमसे दूर है, या फिर एक आध इंसान हमसे दूर है. एंड पर्टिकुलरली इफ वी वांट टू टॉक अबाउट दैट थिंग, दैट पर्सन और दैट थिंग, दैट टाइम वी आर गोइंग टू यूज THAT. Okay, so we'll see some more example related to that. So children, in a same way, we are going to see some more example about that word. Okay, so children, we use that for a thing or a person which is far from us. So that also we will use in a singular form. Okay, and with that always is will go. We are going to use is this helping word. So children, in the first sentence, if you will see, not only first, second, third, fourth and fifth. Okay, these are 5 sentences. So if you will see, here one difference is there. Before which sentences we have learned, in that these kind of arrows were there? No. It means those things were from, those things were, what we can say, those things is near to us. Okay. When we were using this word, that time things and person is near to us. That time we use this word. Okay. So if you will see in this example, these are the arrows. Why we have used these arrows? Because objects, माने जो things है, those are far from us. That things are far from us. जो भी चीजें हैं वो हमारे पास है क्या? नहीं, दूर है. So we are talking about that things. So this is the example. That is a tree. Okay. About which tree we are talking? That tree. कौन से ट्री के बारे में हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं? पर्टिकुलर उसी ट्री के बारे में. So we are going to point out that thing. Okay. We are going to point out that thing or that person if we are going to talk particularly about that thing and that person. So we'll use that is a tree. Can you see this arrow? It means हम लोग point out करके बोल रहे हैं और वो चीज हमसे बहुत दूर है, which is far from us. That is a bus. Where is the bus? It is far from us. So that is a bus. Okay. Next sentence. That is a hill. ये hill है. Okay. हम लोग कहीं बाहर जाते हैं ना तो बहुत सारे hills दिखते हैं हमें. Yes, but particularly हमें किसी एक hill के बारे में बोलना है. In front of me, see we are in the forest or we are in a park. From there, if we are watching any hill, okay, then particularly if about that hill only we are going to speak, okay, then that time we are going to use that is a hill. हमें particularly उसी hill के बारे में बात करनी है, okay, singular form. Then we are going to use that is a hill. और वही अगर आप hill के पास है, near to hill, then what you are going to say? This is a hill. Okay, these are the difference. Next, fish. What it is? Fish. Where is the fish? Far from us. So what we are going to use? That is a fish. Okay, that is a fish. Next, bag. Okay, this is a bag, but the bag is far from us. हमसे बहुत दूर है. किधर रखा है आपने? Okay, on the table you have kept or in your bedroom, wherever. Then from here, मतलब आप बहुत दूर से उस बैग को देख रहे हो. You are watching that bag. Then that time what you are going to say? That is a bag. That is a bag. Okay, children. So these are the example of that. Okay. So this and that. Whenever we are using that time, we should use is is helping verb. Okay. Now children, take your literacy skill book and come to page number 5555. Yes. I hope you have understood the examples, everybody. Yes. Now, this and that. We use this for a thing or a person near to us. When we use this, yes, when we use this, एक आध person और चीज which is near to us, हमारे पास में है, that time we use THIS, this. Okay? We use that for a thing or a person far from us. That हम लोग कब यूज करते हैं? एक आध person, एक आध इंसान या फिर एक आध चीज हमसे दूर है, तब हम लोग that यूज करते हैं. क्या हम लोग यूज करते हैं? That. And children, this and that we call it as an SIGHT, sight words. Also, whenever we are going to use this and that sight words, that time we are going to use this helping verb, because this and that, this is this and that, this is in singular form. We use in a singular form. Okay. So these are the examples. This is Ron. This is Ron. She is telling about him. This is Ron. उसका नाम है Ron. ये Ron है. Okay. Next. This is my dog. This is my dog. ये मेरा dog है. This is my dog. ये मेरा dog है. Okay. Now see हाँ difference. Can you see this? What she is doing? She is pointing. Okay. She is pointing the thing. Now that is a Ron. Sorry, that is Ron. Ron कहाँ है? उससे दूर है. Okay. Ron is not near to us. Ron is far from us. Ron is far from her. So what she is saying? That is Ron. That is Ron. वो Ron है. ओके आप जब कभी बाहर जाते हो, आप मम्मा को या फिर आपके पापा को ऐसे बताते हो ना, कोई आपका फ्रेंड अगर आपको दिख गया तो मम्मा मम्मा वो मेरा फ्रेंड है. यस आप ऐसे बताते हो ना, वो मेरा फ्रेंड है. फिर वो कौन है? वो कोई भी हो सकता है. वो शैलजा टीचर है. यस वो अदिति है. ऐसे आप बताते हो, है ना. सो सेम वे दैट इज रॉन. दैट इज माई टीचर. ऐसे आप बताते हो ना टीचर को. कहीं आप जब बाहर जाते हो, हमें अगर आप देखते हो, आपके टीचर्स को अगर आप देखते हो तो आप क्या बोलते हो? दैट इज माई टीचर. यस दैट इज शैलजा टीचर. ऐसे बोलते हो ना. सो शी इज पॉइंटिंग एंड शी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट रॉन. नेक्स्ट. Now can you see the difference? यहाँ पर dog है, but in this picture the dog is far from her. So what she is saying? That is my dog. That is my dog. Okay, this is my dog, which is near to me. But now he far from me. That is my dog. Okay. Next, this is Ron, but now Ron is not here. Ron is far from me. So what I will say? That is Ron. ओके जो चीजें आपके पास है, जो इंसान आपके पास है, उसके बारे में अगर आपको बोलना है तो दैट टाइम यू हैव टू यूज दिस वर्ड. जो चीजें और जो पर्सन आपसे दूर है, तब आपको क्या बोलना है? दैट बोलना है. ओके चिल्ड्रन. नाउ कम टू पेज नंबर 5656. ओके नाउ कम टू पेज नंबर 5656. हैव यू ओपन दिस पेज? Okay, this and that. Here are some more examples. Okay, now see children. If you will see in this picture, he is talking about his bag. This boy is talking about his bag. This is my bag. वो दिखा रहा है कि ये मेरी बैग है. This is my bag. Okay. Next, this is a slice of pineapple. This is a slice of pineapple. This is a slice of pineapple. So children ये जो slice है, ये जो bag है, उसके पास है या दूर है? पास में है. Near to. The bag is near to him. The slices are near to her. So what they are saying? He is saying this is my bag, and she is saying this is a slice of pineapple. Okay. Now next sentence. This is a comb. Can you see this? This is a comb. He is talking about particular comb. उसी के बारे में बोल रहे हैं ना. सो ही इज सेइंग दिस इज ए कोम्ब. ओके नाउ सिमिलरली अगर यही चीजें दूर है तो वो क्या बोलेंगे? दैट इज माई बैग. दैट इज ए स्लाइस ऑफ पाइनएप्पल. दैट इज ए कोम्ब. हमसे दूर है तो हम लोग बोलेंगे दैट. ओके कम टू दिस साइड. नाउ सी चिल्ड्रन, कैन यू सी दिस? सी ही इज पॉइंटिंग देयर. Why he is pointing there? Because he is talking about particular that thing and it is in a singular form. Many monkeys are there? No, only one monkey is there. So what he is saying? That is a monkey. That is a monkey. Where is the monkey? That is a monkey. Okay, which is far from him. Yes, so he is pointing to that monkey and saying that is a monkey. वहाँ पे monkey है. Yes. Next, that is the sun. Can you see this? वो क्या कर रहा है? बता रहा है. That is the sun. That is the sun. बता रहा है वो. Okay. So these are the example of this and that. Okay, children. So I hope you understand till here. So children, I hope you understand till here. There are some more examples related to this and that words. So we'll see these examples to the next session. Till then you have to do the practice of these sight words. Okay. So children, we are going to stop over here. We'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Thank you.